Kobalt, I am so mad. I am so angry. I have given you 5 years of dedicated, loyal support, and I used your tools. One thing after 5 years has finally broken, and boy am I mad about it. This little tab on this zipper broke. Right there. Yeah, I'm miffed. I'm kidding. Completely kidding. These Kobalt 24v Max tools have been fantastic. I come from a time when rechargeable battery tools were just a joke. You'd buy them, they'd work for a little bit, and then you could basically just toss them out. I just still can't get over how these lithium-ion batteries on these Kobalt 24v Max tools just keep working. The batteries are warranted for, I think it's 3 years, and the tools are good for 5 years. I've had these over 5 years. The same 4 amp hour batteries that I've had, they just keep working, and I swear I barely charge them, and they just keep always giving me what I need to get done. And I use these tools all the time, probably in ways that shouldn't be used. I'm cutting up an old recliner at the moment with a reciprocating saw. I'm using it to trim branches. I'm using the impact tools all the time on Jeeps that break, and honestly, they just keep working. I can't say enough good about the Kobalt 24v Max Brushless line. These things have just been workhorses for me, and yeah, I'm an amateur, I'm not a pro, but I think I'm definitely using them more than your average amateur. I've done suspension lifts with them, I've swapped out axles, and I'm telling you, these things just keep working. They've been fantastic. My buddy Diligent Dave, which you've got to go check out his channel, he's always giving all the great hacks at Home Depot and Lowe's and you name it. He's finding the best tools, all the bargains that you can get, and these really are on sale right now going into 2025, and it's a great time to pick these up. And please go check out Diligent Dave. He's got all the best bargains that you can find, and I think you'll enjoy watching them. I don't think they've aged at all. These things still keep working as well as they did when I bought them. Honestly, that's the first thing I've had, is that little tiny tab on this bag broke off. I've had no troubles whatsoever with these things. I'm just kidding around with that. Hope you have a really good year, and check you out at my next video. Take care. And they've been great.